Ever wondered what members of the Senedd do day to day? Here's the lowdown. Members of the Senedd are elected to represent communities in Wales. Their job is split in two halves, what they do in the Senedd and what they do back home for their community. They meet in the debating chamber, the Siambr, to share your views, question Welsh Government ministers, debate issues and vote on laws. They can ask questions and raise emergency issues to get things discussed quickly. They can also lead short debates to highlight particular topics that affect all or some of Wales. And many sit on committees made up of different parties who dig deep into issues, hearing from experts and the public to help shape law and policies. In their communities, each MS has a local office and staff for people to go and chat directly. They hold meeting sessions known as surgeries or online chats so you can talk to them about what affects you. They also engage with their community, whether it's visiting schools, meeting community groups, or holding events with local people. In short, MSs are your voice in the Senedd and your connection locally. They make laws, question the government, dig into topics in committees, and help people in their neighbourhoods and regions. If there's something that matters to you, there's someone who can bring it up in Welsh Parliament. Stick around for part 4, What is a Committee?, where we'll look at what MSs do behind the scenes.